Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your reposts on Instagram. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device. It can be Android or iPhone, doesn't matter, the steps are the same. And then if you want to repost some reels, all you need to do is to click on the repost button on the right side of your screen. It's the third one option. After that, as you can see, I have reposted this video, and then if you want to see all your reposts you ever did on your account, all you need to do is to go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then here you need to scroll down a little bit, and then in the middle of the screen you will see 4 different options. You need to click on the first one, reposts, and then you will see all your reposts. You can go to any of them, and you can delete this repost by clicking on the repost button on the right side like this, and after that, as you can see, your repost will be removed. So, and that's all, and that's how to see your reposts on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.